Taking a deep inhale. Releasing it out. Another deep breath in. Releasing out. Taking another deep breath. Releasing it out. Really going at your own pace, taking a deep breath in. Releasing it out. Really tapping into your own breath, the rhythm of your body. Finding your own flow in this moment. Illuminating all of the intentions for truth, for expression, for clarity, for communication, for oneness, and for showing up to the collective with the well of wisdom that is accessible to you when you open with the intention to heal, with the intention to weave, with the intention to be guided by energies of support, of help, of growth, of ancestral elders who have your most expanded purpose close to their hearts. Really calling them in, giving thanks with a deep inhale. And sighing it out. Giving thanks with this flow for all of the spirits, all of the helpful energies that are arriving around us now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I invite your body to release anything you may be holding, any tension in your face, your shoulders, your back. Where your body is being held up by the earth, really inviting it to settle, to ease, as you find your rhythm with a deep inhale And release. Like letting out steam on certain muscles that are being held or gripped. And I invite you to imagine a blue light in the shape of an orb about arm's width in size, floating above your head. This energy is cooling, energized, comforting. And with your awareness, invite this energy to come down through the top of your head, almost like a flower blooms open at your crown, to receive this healing orb energy. I welcome. I welcome. I welcome. And as this energy is invited and guided by your openness, it pours out light liquid that cascades down through the center of your skull, saturating your brain, the space in between your ears, allowing your jaw to relax, release, and unhinge, creating space between your teeth, relaxing your tongue, pulling at the base of your skull before it runs down your neck and your spine like a waterfall, like a river. And as it rushes, your muscles are able to release, rinsing over your shoulders, the ligaments that connect your upper arm to your shoulder girdle, all releasing as you take a deep inhale and releasing it out at your own pace. This liquid pouring down your arms, saturating your bones, your bone structure, allowing for space between your joints, the tiny bones in your wrists, your hands, your fingers, filling you up, allowing you to feel a sense of suspension. You're able to release here. You are held up and supported by this energy, allowing you to feel a sense of buoyancy like a water balloon as this liquid fills up your lungs, your heart, your rib cage, saturating your diaphragm, allowing you to take a deeper breath in with ease, releasing it out, fully supported. This liquid pools in your stomach, your intestines, your liver, kidneys, saturating your organs, your reproductive system, pooling at the base of your spine, your sits bones, your glutes, allowing every part of your body to release and be fully supported by this abundant light energy. At your own pace, breathing in, releasing out, and allowing this energy to pour down your thighs, saturate your knees, under your kneecaps, down your shins and your calves, pulling at your ankles and all of the tiny bones there, and filling up your feet, allowing your whole body to be filled by this energy. Buoyant, viscous, blue healing light. And as this liquid begins to flow and swirl, saturating even down to your DNA, your chromosomes, your cells, this energy offers you a gift. A lifeline, a connection to the core of your truth, that has always been. Granting you access to a well of wisdom that you always carry with you. Giving thanks for this gift with a deep inhale. Releasing it out. I receive. I receive. I receive. And as you give thanks, allow this energy to pour and bubble out of your body and into the earth, grounding all of this energy that you have received, all of the healing into the land that you are on. Vibrating your foundation and allowing the earth that holds you up to receive as well. Grounding these intentions, grounding the core of your truth into the land. Knowing that you can always and will always be able to access this connection wherever you are at, because of how you share, how you give, how you commune with yourself, with others, and the land that you are on, any land that you are on. Giving thanks with a deep inhale and releasing it out. Allowing this energy to settle in your body. Allowing your body to integrate and acclimate in the space by taking a deep breath in and releasing it out. Inviting movement, wiggling your toes and your fingers, lightly moving your head back and forth, doing small circles, just inviting movement and energy into your body. Going at your own pace and arriving to center. Bless.